I don't know why I decided to post this on my channel, but I wanted to show you guys where I get my inspiration for basically anything artistic. You can see this is literally a live stream. I like to come here a lot when civilization gets too much for me. So this spot in particular is really interesting to me because it's quiet, secluded, and you can have a nice picnic here. And in my case, get inspired for some ideas, even though I trip on this bridge a lot. Again, super cozy. Just not in nighttime though. Nature has just woken up from winter and it's beautiful. I have an uncontrollable urge to just jump in, but I know it's freezing. So I'll refrain from that for now. I love these bridges, they're just so neat. And the water is pretty accessible. Wow, look at that foam over there. Pretty wild. Alright, I'm just gonna try and get a little closer. Worst that can happen is wet feet. It smells really good here. Some pine scent. I don't know what that is. Better not check that out. Friggin' awesome. I just noticed something. Square root. Anyone? Alright. Moving along. I just couldn't help it. I had this foam. It's crazy. I don't know why that happens. Maybe the current is too fast. But it's really weird. Scenery here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's some shiny particles in the water. Looks really cool. Yep. The resolution is definitely not good enough for you to see the way it looks from my point of view, but it's pretty neat to check out anyway. Bling bling. Well, here it is. This is the spot for inspiration. It took me a while to get here, but the view is totally worth it. This mountain actually used to be an active volcano. So these are, I don't know what kind of rocks. And they're awesome.